Stop wasting money. If you have SNAP benefits, there are a few things you need to do right now to make the most of those benefits. Otherwise, you're just wasting money. First, make sure you're getting the right amount of benefits. Caseworkers are notorious for miscalculating benefits. I don't think they mean to. I think they're just way overworked and underpaid like the rest of us. So it's up to you to verify that you're getting as much food benefits as you should. We have another video that will walk you through how to make sure you're getting the right amount. Be sure to check it out as soon as we're done with this video because you don't want to miss the other things that you need to do. Second, shop at farmers markets to double your money. This is a great way to stretch your EBT dollars, so I always recommend checking with your local farmers markets to see if anyone offers a double up program. This can help you get a lot more food for a lot lower price. If you have kids, ask if they have a POP or Power of Produce program as well. This program provides a few dollars in free produce each week to each child. So when my kids were little, we were able to get $10 in free produce every single week through this program. It's fun for the kids and it can save you a lot of money. Third, claim your Amazon Prime discount. When you receive SNAP benefits, you can get Prime for just $6.99 per month instead of the usual $14.99 per month. You'll even get a 30-day free trial when you use the affiliate link in the description below. Your discounted Amazon membership includes free delivery, unlimited access to award-winning movies and TV shows, photo storage, and more. We've used Amazon's streaming service for years instead of cable, and it has saved us a lot of money, so I highly recommend this, and not just because I'm an Amazon affiliate. Fourth, find a salvage store in your area. Salvage stores are a great way to save money on groceries because they sell great products at a steep discount. The products are usually overstocked, imperfect, seasonal, misprinted, discontinued, or damaged in some way. Sometimes it's just ugly produce, oranges that aren't orange enough, or gourds that are misshapen, things that the name brand stores don't think are pretty enough to be on their shelves, so they sell them to salvage stores at a discount. Many salvage grocers, like Grocery Outlet, accept EBT, so this can be a great way to get extra food for your money. We have a list of all the salvage stores in the United States at lowincomerelief.com. If you want to go pro, combine that last tip with the next tip I'm going to show you, and it will make a huge difference. Fifth, get cash back on your food stamps purchases with Ibotta. When you submit your receipts to Ibotta, you can get cash back on eligible purchases. You can spend all your food money and get cash back that you can use on other essentials. This has been a lifesaver for many low-income families, and it's one of my all-time favorite EBT hacks. Use the affiliate link in the description below to get started. I believe you'll even get a welcome bonus. Sixth, don't forget to claim your freebies and discounts. We have found around 1,000 freebies and deals for people with EBT cards. Go to lowincomerelief.com/EBT and bookmark that page because we update that list continuously with new EBT discounts and you don't want to miss a thing. Seventh, set an alarm for your recertification paperwork. I get panicky messages all the time from people all over the United States who are expecting their EBT payment and then didn't get it. That usually happens because they forgot to complete their recertification paperwork in time. Sometimes it gets lost in the mail, sometimes they moved and didn't update their address. Life happens, stuff happens, but if that paperwork does not get in on time, your benefits can just suddenly stop. And it can take a while to get them started again. So you never want to miss a recertification deadline. So as soon as you get that first approval letter with your card in it and it's got that date that you need to redo that paperwork, put an alarm in your phone, put an alarm in your friends' phones. Do whatever it takes to make sure that you do not miss that deadline because it is seriously that important. If you're a senior or you're disabled, please check out the ESAP program. You could be able to wait up to 3 years between recertification deadlines, which makes it much easier to maintain your benefits without constantly doing that recertification paperwork. ESAP is not available in all areas, but you can get more information at lowincomerelief.com/ESAP. Now, I know that food stamps doesn't go far enough. It never does. So don't forget that you can occasionally get a free meal from Lasagna Love. This all-volunteer program delivers a homemade lasagna meal to your family as an act of kindness. Apply for a free lasagna at lasagnalove.org. Don't forget to check out our other video on 10 more ways that you can get free food.